I'm changing the soil of the plant.
I'm changing the soil of the plant.
I'm hanging the clothes.
I'm hanging the clothes. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the kitchen. I'm washing the dishes.
I'm washing the dishes. Is your phone battery low?
Yes, I'm charging my phone. I'm preparing breakfast.
I'm preparing breakfast.
What are you doing?
I'm planting a flower.
I'm fixing the cushions.
I'm fixing the cushions.
I'm washing fruit.
I'm washing fruit.
I'm dusting the TV stand.
I'm dusting the TV stand. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the bathtub. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the wall.
I'm making the bed.
I'm making the bed. What are you cleaning?
I'm cleaning the windows. I'm cleaning under the bed.
I'm cleaning under the bed.
I'm relaxing on the couch.
I'm relaxing on the couch.
I'm taking out the trash.
I'm taking out the trash. What are you doing in the bedroom?
I'm changing the bed sheets. I'm cleaning the pet area.
I'm cleaning the pet area.
I'm organizing the bookshelf.
I'm organizing the bookshelf. Why is the floor so noisy?
I'm vacuuming the carpet. I'm wiping the mirror.
I'm wiping the mirror. Why are you opening the windows?
Because the room needs fresh air. I'm feeding the cat.
I'm feeding the cat. What are you cleaning?
I'm cleaning the door handles. I'm watering the plants.
I'm watering the plants. What are you doing?
I'm spraying air freshener. I'm mopping the floor.
I'm mopping the floor. What are you doing?
I'm doing the laundry. I'm ironing my clothes.
I'm ironing my clothes.
I'm folding the clothes.
I'm folding the clothes. What are you doing?
I'm drying the dishes. I'm lighting a candle.
I'm lighting a candle.
I'm washing the vegetables.
I'm washing the vegetables.
I'm cleaning the toilet.
I'm cleaning the toilet.
I'm sweeping the balcony.
I'm sweeping the balcony.
I'm wiping the table.
I'm wiping the table.
I'm vacuuming the sofa.
I'm vacuuming the sofa.
I'm decorating the room.
I'm decorating the room.